just know that I'm in the same boat. And this, not the charts, not the wins, not the losses, not the money, but this is the moment I'm going to say something that was heavily on my heart this weekend was this. I think biggest difference between people who are winning and losing are the people who are good at troubleshooting and problem solving. That's it. The people who are having exponentially great results on Copycat or My Copiers or the US 30 or Signals or classes or independent trading and all the brokers and all the prop firms and all the stuff that goes in between. Every one of those, if you look for one quality, some of them are not great traders. Some of them are not that smart. Some of them do not know more than you. And I said that here intentionally. We're swapping brokers like we change our underpants at this point. And I know it's been a pain in the butt. Please bear with us as we find a safe, stable place. Yes, we will in coming time introduce some other things that just keeps us a little bit safer from all the stuff going on. Yes, I will maintain the relationships that I have with all the brokers in the link tree. Everything is in the link tree also to protect you from being scammed on the internet saying, hey, I recommended this, that, and another. If it's not there, I'm telling you, I don't put my money there. If it's not in that link tree, which is a complete section, then I don't work with them. And now you can save you from you. Then no one can scam you.